Welcome to Hood and Filter Service instructional video. Pilot Navigator's particles deliver the technologies that automate the work for you. Whenever applying hood and filter, ensure that the vent system is on and venting. Remove the filter panels from the hood system and set them off to the side. Spray the entire surface of the inside of the system with hood and filter. Hood and filter is lighter than grease, and the particles technology is engineered to go wherever the grease can go, all the way to the roof. Return the filter panels back into place. Spray each panel with hood and filter, covering the entire panel to ensure that grease is broken down. Each panel should take 5 seconds to cover. Hood and filter goes to work immediately, and the grease will begin to break down into water. The drip pans will need to be emptied out more often due to this effect. This will last for roughly 10 days. Ensuring that the vent system is on, spray each filter panel for roughly 5 seconds, making sure to coat each filter panel. You will continue this step for the next 5 days. While the panels are down, we can see a significant reduction in grease from just 1 week ago. The underhood system is almost bare metal. Take the filter panels to the dish sink and simply rinse them off with hot water. The material that is caked onto the panels is no longer grease, and as you can see, falls off just like dust. Hood and filter will atomize any grease compound on the filter panel. This is important to remember why you must coat the panels every night when you apply hood and filter. Particle technology eliminates fats, oils, and grease before they enter the vent system. This is why the hood is clean and free of grease, and why it is safe to flush down the dish drain line. Grease no longer exists in the entire system. After rinsing off the panels, let them dry out. And repeat step 1, coating the inside, replacing the filters back in place, and coating each filter. Continue this process for the life of the vent system.